Welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin, and in this tutorial we are going to learn financials formulas. We are going to start with Accrint formula. So let's start, guys. First we'll see the description of this formula. What it says, basically it says returns the accrued interest for a security that pays periodic interest. So basically we can analyze or leverage this formula to compute the interest amount, and we can get the particular amount. So in front of you, we have we have taken the example of a security where issue date was 1st of Jan 2027, first interest rate was 31st March, settlement date this, and the rate of interest is this, and the par value of this security is this, and the frequency of paying interest is 4. So basically, when I'm saying 4, this means it's a quarterly frequency. And on the rest two parameters, we'll see at later stage when we'll see the syntax of this formula. So Accrint formula says first we need to give the issue date. This is my issue date, and then we have to give the first interest date. Then we have to give the settlement date. Then we have to give the rate, then par value, then frequency. So here, if you see the frequency, we can give only for 1, 2, and 3. So in this case, we have to give this 4 frequency that is inbuilt. We have taken in this example. And jumping to the next things, that is basis and calculation method, we can simply ignore this and press enter. So this is the accrued interest we are getting. But if we are trying to see what the basis says, it says what is the count of days we have to consider in a particular year. Let's suppose we are not giving any kind of basis, so by default it is taking a 0, which means 30 divided by 360. And if in case we want to give the basis as 2, so it will compute like actual divided by actual, sorry, actual divided by 360. And if in case we are giving 1, that will consider as actual divided by actual. If we are giving 3, then actual 365, and 4 in a European 30 divided by 360. So in the given case, we have taken the 2, and you can select this. And coming to the calculation method, so the calculation method, there are two things. One is like from the issue date, and the second one is from uh, first interest date. So in this example, we are taking as 1. So by default also it is taking as 1. But instead of that, if we are taking 0, so our result will get changed. Because if my issue date is being considered, then obviously my interest amount will get increased like that. So this is the one example that we have discussed. And coming to the take care of this formula, if in case we are not giving the frequency as 4, like 1, 2, and 4, then it will give us an num error. For example, if I'm giving 5, it is giving me error. If I'm giving 3, still it is giving error. The moment I give a frequency as 2, then it will give me the result like that. So this is the take care of this formula, and we can leverage this formula while putting or while computing my accrued interest amount. So hope you like the session. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Keep learning.